The year is 1963. A business professor by the name of Leon C. Megerson quotes Darwin in what is probably the closest form of truth we have to why it's hard for you to make money online and why you're struggling to grow. The quote goes as the following: "It is not the strongest or the fittest that survive, but those most adaptable to the environment in which they find themselves in." This was a summary of Charles Darwin's The Origin of Species, which, by the way, if you haven't read, you probably should, because it's a pretty good way to understand almost everything in life. But it's getting hard, all right? Look, if you are a young guy and you are trying to become successful, you're trying to make money, it's getting hard. And I know this to be true because I have made $40 million online in my 20s. I've even got some shiny awards behind me to prove it. And I started 10 years ago, and it is probably now 10 times harder to start now than it was then. It's not impossible, it's just harder, but here's the crux of this point. A year from now, it's going to be even harder. A year after that, it's going to be even more difficult, and I will tell you why. It's because the environment is changing. It is not the strongest or the fittest that survive, but those most adaptable to the environment in which they find themselves. I'm not talking about the jungle or the desert or the sea or the ocean. I'm not talking about a physical, nature-based environment. I'm talking about the market, okay? The market doesn't really give two shits whether you survive or not. It doesn't care if you thrive, in the same way that the ocean doesn't give a shit about whether or not a little fish survives for a long time to reproduce. The market doesn't care. The environment doesn't care. Nothing and no one really cares about you except from yourself. Let me tell you something about the environment in which you find yourself right now. You find yourself in the weirdest, highest pressure economy that we've experienced in probably over 100 years. We are at the intersection of AI taking over thousands of jobs every single day, with a booming economy, but job market shrinking by the day. It is becoming increasingly more difficult to get a job, and people are having to become more self-sufficient. What this means when there is a compression of jobs in the economy is people start turning towards themselves for financial reliance. In other words, they become inspired to start a business. They become your competitors. And let me tell you something. The more jobs become compressed, i.e. the less jobs that are available, the more people that are forced to become entrepreneurs, the more competition you have. We are at the precipice of what we are about to experience being a complete and utter surge and migration to entrepreneurship. Now, the reason why it has become so much harder for you to make money online is not because the economy's struggling. It's not because there's less opportunities. It's simply because there is way more supply than there is demand. When I started making money online 10 years ago, I was 18 years old. As it was, there were many thousands of young men every month, every day, trying to get into business with SMMA or Amazon or dropshipping or content or whatever. But now, with the rise of hyper-male influencers like Andrew Tate and all these other people that preach making money online, there has become like a complete exodus of young men wanting to become independent and wanting to become self-reliant. And with that comes competition. So the environment in which you find yourself is a highly competitive one. Now, this should come to you not as a negative, but as a positive, because in case you haven't met the average young guy, everyone's pretty shit. And I'm here to tell you how to differentiate yourself and how to make it easy, okay? The only thing that you need, the big thing that will separate you and completely remove you from the crowd, is information and knowledge. To acquire information and knowledge is to acquire what we know in business as leverage. Leverage is when you can use something to get something, okay? You pull this lever, you achieve this outcome. Archimedes said, give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I will move the world. And that's the most elegant way of describing what leverage is. You are broke, okay? You don't have a network. You don't have a brand. You don't have a business. You don't have experience. You don't have contacts. You don't have money. You don't have anything. The only thing you have is your mind and your body, your time and your energy at first principle. And On your journey towards success, you're going to have to execute a linear chain of actions to build something to create wealth, like a business or a skill. The way in which you act is informed entirely on the information available to you in your brain. Your brain is like a computer, and your brain computes on an operating system, and the quality of that operating system is determined solely, exclusively, and completely dependently on the quality of information in your brain. Let me ask you a question. What the fuck has happened to reading? Like, what's happened? Like, when was the last time you read a book? Like, you might have read Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules for Life 4 years ago, or maybe you read Rich Dad, Poor Dad when you were 12. I don't fucking know. But, like, people, they want it all without having to get anything in the process. They don't want to do anything. Read, learn, acquire knowledge, acquire information. When I started my first business, before starting that business, and I'm not saying this was the right decision, but it sure as shit helped, I read probably 200 to 300 books. I taught myself to speed read, and if I wasn't doing something in my day, I had my head in a book, in a non-fiction book, a biography from a business owner, something about biology, psychology, like philosophy. Read, learn, acquire knowledge, acquire information. The speed at which you acquire information and knowledge is the speed at which you can execute on that information and knowledge. And here's the cool thing. When you have knowledge, wisdom, information that other people do not have, you get to make decisions and take actions that are more informed and more critical. And when you learn things and you acquire information, you build an advantage. And you might be thinking, no, just tell me what ad to run, or tell me what niche to pick, or tell me what script to use for my set. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. You find yourself in an environment where quite literally every single day, tens of thousands of young men are entering your domain. And you are all in a race. Imagine this. You are in a race, a 100-meter sprint with 100,000 other men. Okay, and you're looking, you can see miles that way and miles that way, and there's hundreds of thousands of other young men. And here's the thing: the person who finishes the race first gets the reward, because this is the thing about competition and this make money online space, is everyone wants the same thing. What do they want? Money. Money is a finite resource. Yeah, sure, the banks can print until the cows come home, and it's not really real anyway. It's an abstraction of human transaction. Money's not real. We just invented it, right? But my point is very much real in the sense that you can spend it and you can use it and it buys you a better life. But everyone wants it. So all these hundreds of thousands of other men, you're up against them and you're all going for the same thing. So it's time to bare your teeth and it's time to actually get competitive. And if you want someone to put that competitive energy, put it into your mind. Read, learn, acquire knowledge. Stop fucking doom scrolling and watching Netflix and watching YouTube and wondering what the next streamer is going to say that's controversial, and pick up a book. Read hundreds of books. And what will happen is, look at it like this. You and 100,000 other men step up to the line of the 100-meter sprint. And maybe the first 1,000 people to complete the sprint are the ones that actually make the money. It's competition. You're racing. You're up against other people. The information you have available to you, let's imagine this is a mental sprint. The information you have available to you before that race starts will determine where you start on the line. Most people are fucking stupid. And so they turn up for a 100-meter race and they start at the 0-meter line. But you, if you're starting that race and you've already spent a year, 2 years reading, learning, every page you turn becomes a little centimeter forward in that race. And so what you can do if you're really fucking smart, i.e. you have a lot of information and knowledge in your brain, is by the time the gun goes off to start the race, you can start at the 20-meter line. You can start at the 50-meter line. If you read enough and you have enough knowledge about how business and how the world actually works, you can start at the 80-meter line. Now, I've been doing this for 10 years. And if you put me up against 100,000 other beginners, it's not a fair race. Like if you said like, okay, Charlie, the first person to make $10,000 in a month wins. I'm starting at the 99 meter line. All I've got to do is take a step and I'm already there. Why? Not because I'm special, not because I'm some, gifted, mental athlete with raw mental horsepower. No, it's not because I was born with it. It's not because I'm entitled to it. No, I just know a lot about making money online. Like I make 30 grand a day, 10 grand a month is a walk in the park. And that's not like oh, look at me, I make all this money. That's the point I'm making is the only reason that I know how to do that is because I know how. And the only reason I know how is because I learned how. And so I am just sick to death of young men complaining about how hard it is to make money online when they can't even finish a fucking book. Like, knowledge is power. Knowledge is leverage. Like leverage is power, okay? Like when you know things about business and when you know things about marketing and sales and recruiting and management and finances and accounting and PR and content, when you learn and you become a complete sponge, you start to make more informed decisions, because building a business, building wealth is just making a collection of decisions. And the reason that you're struggling and the reason you find it so difficult is because you do not have a, what would we call it? Like competent mental comprehension mechanism to make the right decisions and create like a path that actually is going to work. You're just guessing. Like one thing you can rely on as an early stage entrepreneur that knows nothing is you're going to be wrong 9 times out of 10, and all the decisions you make are going to be completely wrong. But the better you are at making decisions, the more successful you will become. But the only thing that is going to improve your decision-making skill is A, making a lot of decisions and learning from those mistakes, which is one very fast way to learn, or B, reading and listening to podcasts and listening to very smart people who have done what you want to do. Now, I don't have anything to sell you. I don't want to make $1 from you. I've made enough money. You're broke. I don't need any of your money. But if you are wanting, because this is the question, is then you're like, well, what do I read? Where do I learn? Fortunately enough for you, I've created a completely free, and it is free. I can see you wanting to write a comment about me selling you something. Don't do it because it's not happening. 6-week training program. It's called Imperium Academy. There's 60,000 young people in it. And it will teach you over the course of 6 weeks how to become financially literate and actually start making money online. It's a 80-hour program. It's tough, it's difficult, it's not easy, but it's an advantage. And this is the thing is, you need every advantage you can get. There'll be a link in the description you can click. I don't want you to buy anything. You don't need to give me your money. It's completely free. It took me a year to make because I am sick to death of young people just struggling to make it. And the only reason you're struggling is because you have a lack of knowledge. You have a knowledge gap. You have an information gap. If you have the right information, you could make the right decisions and then take the right actions to actually get the result you want. But the thing is like everyone's flooding into the market to make money online because they've seen the car, they've seen the watch, they've seen the girl, they've seen the lifestyle, but they have no idea where to start or what path to take. So if you want it, there's a link in the description. Personally, it doesn't make any fucking difference to me whatsoever if you click it or not. I couldn't really care less. It's up to you to help yourself at this point, right? But even if one of you watching this clicks that link, consumes the information, actually does it, and then gets an action and gets a result, that would feel pretty good to me. So you can check it out if you want. I don't really mind. But rant over, I suppose. See you later.